Here we go. This is May 2nd, Michael's birthday, and this is the snowstorm that we've gotten. It's so freaking unbelievable how cold and windy it is. This is just from the front porch of the house. I'm going to try to walk in flip-flops in the snow here, around here, to see what the dogs look like. And this is where the wind starts hitting me, right here. Dogs are over here freaking out because of the wind, and it is coming down. The snow is just unbelievable. Never thought I'd see a day like this in May, of all things. So wet, muddy mess. The trees and the plants and the grass, it was funny, they're all starting to bloom and bud out, and now look at them, they're all just covered with snow.